Well, it looks like I have company, but I don't. Today our shower started backing up. Water's bubbling up in the sink. But here's a problem with all of these spots right here now. And it's raining a lot. They've been working on this for a few hours now, trying to clear out the system. And yes, I still can't talk. It's getting a little better though. Well, we had plans today to go to the Filipino market, but that's not happening. We're just gonna chill here at home, and hopefully the water problem will be fixed. Say hello, guys.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning today. Let's just rain.
I still can't talk too good, but they finally fixed our water problems around here yesterday. Help me out, honey. And it's Sunday. Guess what these are? Leave a comment down below if you know what this is. I'm gonna make some cornbread. Look for that in the YouTube shorts. And just another 3-minute video. So that's what's going on. Collard greens and cornbread Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later.
You want some pancakes?
Oh, my son's being demanded. We'll see you later.